Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Buick, if you have a GMC guys with a transmission such as 6T30 6T35 6T40 6T45 and 6T50 guys, and you have a problem with your torque converter guys not engaging or getting stuck or not working properly guys, we will explain what could be a simple fix now. Let me guys introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on every car, engine, transmission we get at the shop. Why guys? Because our goal is to save you as much money as we can guys by providing free videos to you. So let me explain what we're doing here. We're working on Chevy Cruze, but practically the same transmission is used in more than 10 to 12 General Motors vehicles, including some Malibu, Equinox, Sonic, Cruze, Aveo, GMC Terrain as well, Buick, quite a few guys, quite a few. And what we have here, we took the whole transmission apart. If you want to see how to take your transmission apart and get to that point, check it out on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. That's where we're going to have it listed guys, everything, the video about disassembling the transmission, so check it out. So what we did, we removed the oil pan. This is the transmission oil pan, okay, and later you're going to notice that the transmission is completely gutted. Now the only thing that you need to remove guys, okay, we removed everything to inspect everything, okay, only thing that we remove now here, you can see that's the valve body. So let me explain about the torque converter guys. One of those oil passages is for the torque converter, and what happens, okay, if the oil doesn't flow through the torque converter, okay, it will not engage. And what controls that now? It's controlled by one of those solenoids, those valves here, those solenoids guys. And if your converter is not engaging, it could be one of those. It could be a bad throttle body as well. It could be a bad transmission computer. It could be bad converter. But the easiest thing to start with will be to check the solenoid for the torque converter, guys. This is your transmission computer. These are the solenoids. Even if you have generation 1 or 2 of that transmission, it will be the same. The third, okay, that third solenoid from right to left. And you can see the layout, how everything is. That is the torque converter quad solenoid, TCC solenoid. So this is the one responsible for that. We have a video on the channel guys how to test each one of them. So please check it out, it will be there. But you will have to remove them from that plate and check them individually. Otherwise guys, you can cause, okay, one of those to go bad. So you have to remove it to test it. Otherwise you can cause damage. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you trying to save some money and fix your transmission on your own. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.